Today's video brought to you by things I don't understand. The 1085 is involved. I really like the tractor. Runs good, pulls good, it's good. Still needs some little work. Let's come here on the backside. Ooh, it's a good looking backside. That's not very good looking with the sun and stuff. At any rate, if you ever seen one or know anybody that has one, they stick the remotes up. Well, if the rest of the tin and stuff was on this, or the cab, it'd look a lot better, but they tuck these remotes up there, up here, up. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. That it's terrible. So we get a side shot here. I got a straight edge up back here at the hitch. Clear way to hell up here. It doesn't look too bad until you go to hook something up. Let's see. So most of your things are, well, we'll go for a walk. There we are. From, speed things up here, 30 some inches from the outlets to the hitch. And now, since they tucked them up there, they're way the hell. They're like 30 inches off of the drawbar. Don't think, that's not a big deal, until you hook something up and your hoses are 2 feet short. Have a walk over here at the 1100. This machine is older. Well, what'd they do on this one? Holy crap! They're out here where the PTO would go. That's like, well, they're 16, 18 inches. Huh. Half the distance. Wow. And they're only about 18 up also. The 1135, same measurements. Camera will pick up the 275, same measurements. So, what in the world were the engineers thinking when they chuck those outlets clear way the hell up there? They're not, they're just, I suppose I could take a 2-foot hose, 4 2-foot hoses, and extend them down so the hoses dangle down and no. Nope. No. I had to do something different. I've laid this thing down here-ish, kind of. That's all half-assed kind of deal. But, so I come up with a few things, need to worry about this 3-point arm, but I'm going to do something different. It doesn't work. It doesn't work for me. It's not useful. It might look nice, but one tractor out of what the rest of them, probably the rest of them, that it's like this. No, I'll change this one. Let's see what I can come up with. Here's what I come up with. Whittled out a plate a while ago, actually. Finally got around to doing something with it. So it bolts right onto axle tube, 3 bolts. This is very similar to the 1135 with height, and it's a little bit longer from the drawbar to where these mount, but I think we'll be good shape. Yeah, turned out pretty good. We'll see how it works. Should work out alright. I had to redo my temporary mount for my control valve. That's a whole nother, do something different there. Oh, see how this goes.